Why are the ultra-wealthy disappearing in plain sight? Ah, those headlines. Record sales in luxury markets, billionaires clubs on the rise. We're constantly inundated with tales of unimaginable wealth. Yet the real mystery isn't whether they exist. It's why the richer they get, the less visible they seem. Well, it's my pleasure to be your host and your charming guide to the opulent class. And today, we're peeling back the velvet curtain on the stealth wealth phenomenon. Forget the ostentatious billionaires plastered all over social media. We're shining a light on the silent titans who wield authentic power, mastering the delicate dance of disappearing right under our noses. In a world obsessed with transparency and celebrity culture, it seems rather peculiar, doesn't it? If you've made it big, wouldn't you want to shout it from the rooftops? Well, it appears that the glitzy playbook of the 80s and 90s, filled with mega mansions, logos, and flaunting, has been relegated to history. Something has changed. To decipher this new stealth wealth era, we must first explore the why. Reasons are a splendid concoction of personal, professional, and cultural influences. Allow me to break it down into a few key ingredients of this elusive cocktail. Segment 1. 4 drivers of disappearance. First up, the cultural scene has transformed. We now inhabit a domain marked by incessant scrutiny. The relentless news cycle, social media advocacy, and heightened discussions around inequality have turned the ultra-wealthy from mere business magnates into potential targets. Lavish displays of wealth no longer elicit admiration, but often resentment. They stir controversy, invite investigations, and ultimately create friction. And friction, dear friends, is a faux pas in a world where optimization reigns supreme. For a demographic that thrives on efficiency, this is a critical misstep. They say true power whispers. The ability to influence, innovate, and shape affairs from the shadows? Now that's a force that invites little scrutiny. Today's savvy billionaire recognizes that a private island is not merely a retreat for sunbathing, but a strategic headquarters for influential decisions, far from prying eyes. Which segues us neatly to reason number 2, security. The world has become a less predictable beast. While kidnapping and extortion have long haunted the elite, today's lurking peril is in the digital realm. The more you're visible, the more you can be tracked. And if you can be tracked, you can be reached. Every geotagged selfie, every check-in, and every click of that online cart leaves a trail, a threatening breadcrumb trail, if you will. For high net worth individuals, those breadcrumbs translate into potential risks. Thus, vanishing into plain sight emerges not merely as a lifestyle choice, but as a vital security strategy. The most secure asset? One that flies under the radar. On to our third point. The motivation behind philanthropy has shifted. Sure, some continue to give for the prestige, but a rising cohort within the new class is all about impact and efficiency. Their philanthropy operates like a well-oiled machine, data-driven and often devoid of any fanfare. For many, the aim isn't to slap their name on a building, but to actually solve problems. Sometimes a big name attached can complicate progress, politicize efforts, and throw unnecessary hurdles in the way. A foundation working in stealth mode can pivot quickly and effectively, letting results do the talking. And lastly, let's sprinkle in a dash of subtle game theory. In a cacophony where everyone clamors for attention and popularity becomes a currency, the ultimate move is to not need it at all. True wealth isn't just what you can purchase, it's what you can afford to overlook. To live, travel, think, and influence without anyone batting an eyelid? Not a limitation, my friends, but the zenith of freedom. In the realm of the opulent class, this is the highest luxury, total autonomy. Segment 2, the stealthy lifestyle. So what does this stealth wealth life entail? It's not about driving a rust bucket or donning tattered garb. Think of it as being under the radar, not off the grid. It's a carefully curated kind of luxury. We call this delightful movement quiet luxury. It's all about valuing materials, craftsmanship, and heritage over ostentatious logos. Picture a $5,000 cashmere sweater masquerading as something from your local high street, yet feeling like a dream against the skin. The unassuming watch that hides intricate engineering within? Pure stealth. It's a nod to fellow insiders. If you know, you know. This shift emphasizes experience over visibility. It's about those sublime, unadulterated moments. The private art assembly meant solely for personal enjoyment. The chef-prepped meals served behind closed doors. The vacation to a secluded island with only the chosen few in attendance. They invest heavily in privacy measures that the public never glimpses. Enter shell companies, trusts, and advisors, all designed to disguise their asset ownership, be it properties or investments. Their online personas? Bland, polished, and completely uninformative. They aren't pretending they're not affluent, they merely wish to evade the side effects of being rich. Their lives? An open secret, but only to those possessing the key. Segment 3. Implications and future. This trend of elusive wealth isn't merely a lifestyle alteration, it carries hefty implications. When the creme de la creme choose to fade from public view, what ripples does that send throughout society? For starters, it complicates our understanding and action on wealth inequality. We step into a phantom economy, where vast sums flow and flourish out of public sight. Those with the most power essentially evade the repercussions of public scrutiny. Moreover, it reshapes philanthropy. Although quiet giving boasts its advantages, it often lacks the public accountability associated with high-profile donations. This can reinforce a power dynamic where wealthy patrons decide what's best for the public behind closed doors, further entrenching influence. So, where's this all headed? Could we witness a world with two parallel economies, one visible and another that dances just beneath the surface? It's certainly plausible. As technology makes tracking easier, so too will the countermeasures evolve. The ultra-wealthy are already bankrolling advancements in privacy, cybersecurity, and secure living that will one day trickle down to us mere mortals. Ultimately, the grand vision of stealth wealth isn't a future devoid of visibility. It's about possessing the power to choose what becomes visible, a true asset in its own right. It encapsulates the definition of opulence, the luxury of choice. The ultra-wealthy haven't vanished, my friends. They've merely mastered the art of camouflage. They continue to invest, build, and shape our world, but they've opted for a stage that offers no audience, no applause. The next time you saunter down a bustling street or scroll through a social feed, remember, the most formidable players are the ones who don't crave your attention. That's the true essence of stealth, the defining hallmark of the modern disappearing opulent class. Now, if you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the strategies of the world's most exclusive high-net-worth subcultures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your class always be opulent.